So I creep, yeah, just creeping on the down low.
I am transformed. I have endless potential. I am beauty. I am vibrant joy. Arrive and leave your stamp.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nika. So I'm gonna come back with my BoxyCharm Luxe box. This BoxyCharm, you get, if you're not familiar, you get 5 full-size products, which there's $26, and then I have the Luxe one, so every 3 months I get the big box that includes 7 products for like an additional. So I just got it. I'm actually opening it with you guys, so you'd be proud of me. Okay, so let's get right into it. This one here is called Lucky. So you get the card in the box, and then it has all the information of the products and how much each product costs. So let's see what we got. I'll be excited to get these on my doorstep. So we have B Beauty London. It's called Barbarella eyeshadow palette. This is $50. And this feels amazing. Like, this is cute. It's cute or whatever. See what kind of shades we get. Oh, they must have known. These are my shades, all the neutral tones. And then we got color up in there. A lot of shimmers. A lot of shimmers. And 1, 2, 3, about 4 mattes. So this palette is $50. I don't know if I'm gonna use it or not because I don't really wear eyeshadow, so I may, like, I don't know, put that in one of my giveaways or something. And the next thing we got is the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum. Deep Hydration and Glow. This is $42. It says it's vegan. It's a go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. It's a water gel serum which features unique blends of 3 of the Plum, hyaluronic acid, and vegan collagen. It contains 5 weights of hyaluronic acid to target different layers of the skin for deep hydration. And how much did I say this was? $42. Oh, this is a cute little bottle. We got the sun out. That's a cute bottle. Y'all know I'm all about the glow and the glow and whatever, so I could just try this. My face is clean. Smells good. We'll see. We shall see. So the next thing, oh, we got some Fenty Beauty. Oh, we got Fenty Beauty foundation is what they say. The Pro Filter. I'm sure they didn't get my color right. $2.50. I can't remember. I was probably like $3.30 in the shade. But yeah, I have this one. I'm pretty sure this isn't my shade, but you're supposed to shake it up. This is this the matte one? Yeah, this is the matte one. Yeah, I could probably highlight with it. Oh, wait. We may be onto something. Actually, we may be onto something. So I'm going to do my makeup and then I'm going to use this. So that is $36. Then we have Dew of the Gods Froze Body Scrub. Iced Rose Body Scrub. Blessed by a Buddhist monk to inspire pride and confidence. Dew of the Gods. Exfoliate with natural sea salt. With blueberry essential oil. Get drunk on life. Be cute. And this is $22. It's an amazing froze. It says, how amazing froze is rose wine plus sugar plus ice plus cute and pink. Genius. That's a vibe of a froze body scrub. It's a summer staple for optimal tan management, silky smooth skin, and literally just fun in the tub. $22. Okay. The next we have is it Chalil Hair Tools Mini Heat Brush. It's a go-to styling and touch-ups. It's powerful and easy to use as a full-size tool, but compact enough to carry wherever you go. The rapid heat time and heat-resistant bristles allow this cute, handy brush to quickly and easily glide through your hair. Safe for all hair types. Welcome to the new favorite hair tool. $150. I actually have a bigger one of this for my daughter's hair. Obviously, I can't use it, but we'll definitely use it for her. $150. My big one I got off Amazon, so. But it's a heat brush. Mini apricot heat brush. Beauty Baker blending egg sponges. I was excited about this. So you get some blending sponges. $18. I mean, they're sponges. I'm not gonna read the description. I'm just gonna see what they looking like. It's cute. I like how they, you know, they came up with their little thing or whatever. Blending eggs. Isn't that cute? Look at how cute that is. It's like you get 6 sponges in here. That's cute. And this is $18. The next we have is the Dominique Cosmetics Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner. This is $18. You say what color it is? No, but we'll see. It's light and breathable. Ooh, it is nice and creamy. And that's the shade. This actually match one of my lipsticks. I know for sure. And last but not least, we have, is it called Ama Skincare Kiss the Stars 24K Gold Lip Plumping Mask. This 24 Gold Glitter Stars Lip Plumping Mask will moisturize and nourish your lips. Expect a tingling sensation and softer kissable lips. And it looks like this. Gold. So yeah, that's what we got in this here box. Let's do a let's use some of these products. I'm probably not going to use the eyeshadow because like I said, I don't really wear eyeshadow like that. So my skin was already prepped and stuff. Just spray some more moisture. Some moisture. So y'all, I have been working on my beauty line. I have come out with some lip scrubs and lip conditions and 2 liquid lipsticks. So those are available on my website, which is nikasbeauty.com. Here's my lip scrub. And yeah, so that's what I've been working on. Just putting some primer. I just left the gym. Had to get a good workout in. It's my off day, but yeah. Okay, so now that I got that on, I'm gonna put just a little of some translucent setting powder. And y'all, I won't say never, but I need to start prepping for my videos again. I'm actually going to use the sponge that I tested out this foundation with. So I really didn't actually have to put that primer on because this is already a matte, but I just wanted to. So yeah, actually this is my shade. I'm a lot lighter than I think. You do gotta blend this out quick though. I do remember that from the last one I had. And I actually don't like using sponges for my foundation, so I'll go ahead and use my brush. And this does oxidize, so once it gets on my skin, it will be just good. Wipe some of that on my lip for a lip primer. And because it's a matte, I'm going to spray up more moisture spray. And I'm just doing something really light because I'm actually going to the hair shop. And I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Finish Powder. I love this. Then I'll use my Morphe bronzer. Then I'm going to use the lip liner that came with it. I'll do the rest of my face off camera. So it's really smooth. You can actually use this as a full lip color. That's how smooth it is. And then I'm going to take my liquid lipstick. Just go over it. All right, and that's what they had pretty much in the box that I could use. I'm gonna finish my face and I will be back. All right, you guys, I have finished. This is the final look. Easy, quick, outdoor, okay? I'm about to go get I'm about to go to the hair shop. So if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your girl is coming back. Did y'all miss me? I missed y'all. So let's get this popping again, okay? Until next time, you know my motto, arrive and leave your stamp.